I am finally tackling the master bedroom, but I didn't do it alone. I hired a professional organizer. For those of you new here, hi, I'm Rhonda. I'm a mama to two kiddos, wife, and entrepreneur. I run a virtual assistant business and I maintain a household, but I haven't really decluttered since 2020, okay, when we first moved in. So I decided to do this declutter challenge this summer. And initially, I was gung ho. I had the motivation, the drive, the energy. It was like this new exciting journey I was starting, right? And y'all know how that is. In the beginning, you're ready, and then you quickly realize, "Oh my goodness, what did I just do?" I'm sitting here trying to declutter a whole house, okay? I primarily focus on what I thought were like the hot spots so that it wouldn't be such a huge task for me. But even with that, it was still a lot because we were bringing things in and we weren't taking enough stuff out. So there is a lot in this house. So I decided to reach out for an extra set of hands. I hired a professional organizer. And honestly, I have no regrets. Okay. First of all, just by taking that step of scheduling the session, it gave a little bit of relief. Okay. It was like, oh, yes, I know help is on the way. And maybe you may take it another step further, like I did, and it gives you a boost of energy that you're like, okay, I'm ready to clean up something. Now, disclaimer, you do not have to clean or hide anything because the organizer is coming over. You may think that they're going to judge you, but they probably seen worse. So it's not a necessity. It's just that when it came to actually taking that step to schedule and knowing that I had someone coming in to help me, it just gave me some energy, and I was just like, yes, I'm excited, I can do this. Yeah, let's clean something up. So insert Nancy. She owns a company called Sort Seekers here in the Tampa area. And I have called her before. This is not the first time. She actually came to the house last year to help us with the master closet because I had a baby and the closet became this just area that we were just throwing stuff and hiding stuff in there. So she had to come in and rescue me. And today she's rescuing me again. She's helping me with the linen closet. Now, at first glance, you can see I have my baskets and things are sorted out, but they're so sorted. They're so sorted that the system that I created is too complicated to maintain, and therefore I just don't maintain it. Okay. So I think when I started sorting the things, I just made too many categories. And let me explain that. All three of the girls in this house have different texture hair. So we use different products for everyone, right? And so there's a lot of hair stuff in there. And I tried to break it down by, okay, this girl does this, she needs that and this. Okay, I thought, that's three categories there. But then when it came to the actual hair accessories, instead of, okay, bows here, scrunchies here, I broke it all the way down to, okay, red barrettes here, pink barrettes there, red large scrunchies here, purple small scrunchies there. So in the end, I'm like 40 categories deep with all these little, bins that I bought for them to go inside the bigger baskets. But do you hear me explaining? I made it complicated, okay? It's even hard for me to really explain to you how bad I made this system just because I got too deep into the sorting of things. So Nancy had to come in and help me. And when she first came in the room, she asked me, okay, what is the problem? And I had to let her know. I was like, I just made the system too complicated. Like things are sorted out, but they too sorted. I don't put them back because now I got to figure out, all right, my daughter used the red scrunchies and now I got to find the bin for the red scrunchies. It's somewhere in this bin up here. It was just too much. But she listened to me and she took it from there. She came with a fresh pair of eyes, and she came up with a plan and got to work. She took everything out and off the shelves and just started sorting, y'all. She was going to work, sorting through things, setting things up, making things make more sense. And because I told her the system was so complicated, I wasn't putting things back, she even came with new ideas for products, y'all. She was just like, oh, okay, so you like to use this handheld to take do the girls' hair downstairs while they're eating breakfast? Okay, well, how haven't you thought about a caboodle? And I was like, a caboodle? Like, back in the day, caboodle? And she's like, yeah, think about a caboodle where you can put the hair accessories if you still want to separate between the girls, just have a caboodle for the girls. And I'm like, why haven't I thought of that? And that wasn't even the best part. The best part of it all? I didn't have to lift a finger if I didn't want to. Okay? She was my extra set of hands, and I really needed that because baby girl is in a teething phase. She's going through a lot, so she needs mommy every second of the day. And she desperately needed a nap. So having Nancy there allowed me the opportunity to focus on the baby who needed me in the moment. It allowed me time to catch up on laundry and just tackle other chores while she took care of that, okay? With Nancy, I was able to cut back on not only time and energy, but sanity. All right? We were able to complete the master bedroom. But remember, I said I haven't decluttered this house in 4 years. And it took me years to create this mess. I know it's going to take time to clean it up. So at the end of the 3-hour session, I did have some homework to do. Okay? This changing table and the box on the fridge and all that, it has so many different things that I've just been throwing in there. And it included more hair stuff that needs to be gone through. So after the organizing session, I was able to take care of this. I pulled everything out. I put it where it actually belongs. And if it didn't belong anywhere and I'm not using it, trash it. Okay. I also needed to take another look into the closet because your girl's been buying a couple of clothes here and there. So even though Nancy was here last year to actually get the closet started, I still need to maintain it. So this is me just going in there and tidying things up, pulling out some clothes I know I haven't worn in a while so that I have room for the newer things that I bought. So eventually we're going to redo this whole closet. That's not here or now. And there you have it, folks. With Nancy's help, I was able to finish the master bedroom suite. And yes, I said suite because this is a large space, y'all. This is a closet, the actual bedroom area, and that's a king size bed. And it has a sofa bed on one side and a little toddler bed on the other. And then you had that linen closet inside of that master bathroom. So it's a large space, and it was just little bitty old me trying to do it, okay? So honestly, I have made Nancy officially part of my team. She brings the fresh eyes, ideas, and the extra set of hands that I need. And I'm gonna be honest, y'all, go ahead and find yourself a Nancy. If you're a little nervous about it or you have questions, feel free to comment below. And I'll also put Nancy information below in the video description because she also does virtual organizing sessions for those who don't live in the Tampa area. But that's all I have for now. I hope you enjoyed this master bedroom declutter. I love you guys so much and thank you so much for your support. I hope to see you next Saturday as we wrap up this summer declutter challenge. I am so excited. I'm almost done. I can see the finish line, but y'all already know I had to call in Nancy again. So stay tuned next week. Love you guys. Bye.